This tutorial is for 5th grade, Module 3, Lesson 6b. In Lesson 6b, we will continue to subtract mixed numerals and fractions. This time, the fractions do not have the same denominator, so we need to focus on making like denominators first. My first problem is 1 1/4 minus 1/3. I'm going to show 1 1/4 on the fraction models down below. 1 1/4 would be the same as 4/4 and 1/4. So I'll show my 1 whole as 4/4. And I need to shade in one more fourth to represent my 1/4. So here I have a 1 1/4. On this model, I'm going to show my 1/3, and I'm going to draw horizontal lines, and that will help me find my like denominators. I'll shade in 1/3. Right now, the model is just showing us 5/4 minus 1/3, which I still can't do with unlike denominators. I will go ahead and copy my 1/3 marks on top of the 1 1/4. I'm going to do it on both the whole and the fraction. So I've divided each of those into thirds, and now you can see in each square I have 12 pieces. In my 1 whole, there are 12 that are shaded, and there are 3 more shaded in the fraction section. So 1 1/4 is the same as 15 twelfths. Again, I have 12 twelfths here and 3 more twelfths here. So together they make 15 twelfths. Now I need to turn my 1/3 into twelfths, and I do that by drawing fourths on top of the 1/3. I have 12 pieces now, and 4 of those are shaded. My new problem then is 15 twelfths minus 4 twelfths. Well, 15 minus 4 is 11. My final answer is 11 twelfths. Here's another example. This problem is 1 3/8 minus 1/2. I've gone ahead and shaded in the 1 whole and 3/8, showing the 1 whole as 8/8. So now I have 8/8 and 3/8, which is the same as 1 3/8. I'll shade in my 1/2 on the next model. I'll do that vertically, shading in 1/2. The next step is to create my like denominators by copying my 1/2 on top of my 8ths. So I'll draw a vertical line on each model. Now I have 16ths in each model. In the 1 whole section, I have 16 16ths. In the 3/8 section, I have 6 16ths, for a total of 22 16ths. Now I'll copy my 8ths onto my 1/2 model. That gives me 16ths over here as well, and instead of 1/2 now I have 8 16ths. That's what I'm going to subtract. Now my problem is 22 16ths minus 8 16ths, for a difference of 14 16ths.